Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing a part 2.
No, it's part five.
Part 5. Yeah,
Part five.
part 5.
But look at my stupid chocolate.
You are stupid.
And then no chocolate. That is stupid. I don't chocolate and okay. And I just made a garden. Okay. Okay. What else should I draw? I made a pool, a garden. You have up there too.
Yeah.
That the does.
Up here, right here, gonna make a garden on the very top. No, I'm gonna make something cool on the top. I'm probably make a garden.
Make a pool.
Oh yeah, even better. I'm gonna make a pool now. Can you make it right now? But make sure you don't. Here, make sure you don't.
Where do I put it?
Like up here, a pool right here in the hot tub.
Is it hot tub?
Make a pool in the hot tub, and then
I put it with diamonds?
yeah, sure, whatever. No, yeah, put the but make it even more over there, cause I need to surround this with glass.
Wait, you guys want to make gardens? I was gonna make a garden for all of us.
I didn't make a garden.
I did.
Look, go.
You can all share gardens.
Most of these are the same as mine.
Who took the potion?
Nobody.
Make no garden.
Done. Done doing your hot tub.
And then a big pool.
Okay, cool. Like a cold pool.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
I'm making a pool for Maddie. Well, I made it. I wouldn't made it. Like what's done.
Okay.
I made a hot tub and a big pool. I'm glad to put glass there.
Yeah.
So we don't need to
Mine's a cool house, right?
do that. Someone should go in this house. Oh my goodness. Get a bucket, get a bucket, get a bucket. I'm not holding the water anymore. Okay. What if made my pool and what if made a garden? should we put the garden?
I would put a garden.
Think you're fat? You might just be bloated. Find out by calling now for a free trial of New Biotics, the new breakthrough that flattens bloated bellies.
Mine's better than all of you.
311-9299.
Well, actually, Maddie is because she had a hot tub.
I just need to make the windows and decorate them more.
I have a hot tub.
I have a pool,
Yeah,
not just a hot tub.
I just have.
I need to make it bigger, and then I'm gonna make it bigger, okay?
Oh, how about you put a bounty house?
Oh, I know. Let's put it behind here.
A what?
But behind here, behind my house. There's space, right? There's enough space.
We should all share bounty house. Well, let's share with Maddie because
Don't you wanna share with me?
yeah.
Where do you wanna be your room? Top or bottom? Like the bottom of the house or the top? Close to the pool.
Down.
Okay. Like right here?
But who's gonna
Down
take
here?
my house then?
I don't know.
You know what? I'm gonna put this for my grandma use. I can put my dogs. Oh.
Yeah, but my builds are cooler.
Okay. Bounty house. Wedding for the bounty house. Now I can put a lot of light. Do I make it big or little, Monty?
Let me see. I'm gonna see it right now.
Little?
No, wait. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go check. Doesn't matter. You could do anything. I feel sick. Tomorrow I'm gonna be making a video and I'm gonna show you guys where I go to the dentist. Cause I'm going tomorrow to the dentist.
Somewhere else?
Tomorrow I'm going to the dentist. Now I'm not happy. Cause they're gonna take a tooth out. It's not because I have a cavity, it's only because there's another tooth growing from the bottom. Last time I went to the dentist and they took 2 of my teeth out. Now I'm going to the dentist and they're going to take 1 more tooth out.
Oh?
Just 1 more. Out. I just locked myself in here.
The trap.
Mm-mm. I'm trapped.
How
I'm gonna
much
take
minutes is it a video?
today.
Huh?
Huh?
How much minutes is the video?
11 minutes.
Okay, and we're gonna make part 6.
I'm in the video. I'm gonna make part 6.
No, part 6. So it's gonna be.
No, this is just gonna be the end of the video. We're not gonna make a part 6. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Make sure to watch all our videos if you're new. And give this a thumbs up and smash that like button. Don't forget about the giveaway we're making. So yeah.
Yeah, iTunes card and Google Play card.
So yeah, guys. See you guys later.